Good morning, Sundas.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am thank you.
Very good. Sundas, we are doing sums addition. Okay, addition
Yes.
sums. Right now.
12 in my mind.
Yes.
Six finger open.
Okay.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Right now. Good. And second question. 10 plus
10 plus 9.
9.
10 in my mind.
Good.
9 finger open. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Answer is
19.
very good. Very good, Sundas.